Hey guys, this is Aisha. I'm back with another video. I just want to show you a little 3 eyeshadow palette by LA Colors. This color is called Boardwalk. This is the back of it. It says BES 504, but it's called Boardwalk, and basically it's a bunch of kind of like a summery palette. It's like a bronze brown, bright orange, and a golden color. So basically I'm just going to show you a video on this eyeshadow tutorial on this palette. And I had this is actually a older eyeshadow palette that I have for a long time, but when I first started buying eyeshadows, I usually LA Colors was my go-to brand because it was cheaper, and plus I usually like to find stuff at Dollar Tree, like drugstore Dollar Tree. Like they sell Maybelline products at Dollar Tree, but they also sell LA Colors, and I thought it was really pretty, so I just picked it up. So let's get started. What I'm going to do, oh, by the way, I already put on my foundation. It's called Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup, and it's with SPF 20, and my color is Honey, number 85. So I already put that on. Alright, let's get started. First I want to put on this gold all over my eyelids. And it'll act as my base color, even though it has color on it. It's a color, but so the other two colors can pop. And this is basically a nice go-to makeup brand, like if you're just starting out with makeup, so you can, find your colors and everything, and then once you get more experience with makeup, you can move up. And this looks like a very pretty color you can wear for the summer as well. So put a little bit more on my other eyes as well. Not too much. Alright, there go my eyes with the golden color. Next, I'm going in the crease with this color here, the outer corner and crease. This brown is like a nice pretty bronzy color. Let's see how that looks within the crease. I went a little too far over, but don't worry, we'll fix that after we finish it. So there we go with the bronzy color. Do the same thing for the other eye. Focus it all in the crease in the outer corner. And sometimes the problem that I have, like every time when I do my next eye, it seems like I put a little bit more on the other eye. So when that happens, then I just take a little bit more and pull a little bit more on the other eye where I didn't. That's okay. And for it to be a very cheap makeup brand, they have some pretty colors. They're pretty pigmented. Oh, this just looks pretty just by itself with these two colors. But anyway, let me do the orange color here. The middle color. It's bright orange. Oops. It's okay. And put it in the center of my eyelids. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Alright, look at that. That is just 3 colors. That is so pretty. There's a nice, if you want a nice little summertime look. Alright. And I'm going to finish this look off. I decided to add a little bit of gold at the bottom. Was a metallic pencil by Milani, Shadow Eyes. What I'm going to do is actually an eyeshadow, but I'm gonna do it at the bottom of my eyes. See how it looks. Alrighty, there goes the bottom of the shadow stick by Milani. It's a nice metallic, like a light gold, not necessarily gold, but it's a light metallic, maybe a bronze or something. It looks kind of gold when you put it on, but that's the Milani shadows. Alright, I had started putting on my eyeliner. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and finish this look and see how it looks at the end. Alright guys, this is the finished look. It looks really pretty. I love this color. I will definitely be wearing this again. I've used it before, but it's been a long time since I have. But anyway, this is the finished look. If you like this video, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting a picture of this on my Instagram, and I will definitely list the other products that I used in the description box as well. So see you guys next time. Bye.